No way did this machine produce this. What? Look at that. Today I'm just going to show you very quickly how you can create your own custom depth maps from your images, so you can print your own raised and textured images using your UV printer. Now the tool we are going to be using for this today, it's MarcAM.uk. It is the best tool on the market at the moment to do this with. Link will be down below if you just want to click it, or go to marcam.uk. If you're new here, obviously you will need to register before you do it. So I'm already logged in, so let's go into the app. And then this is literally it. It's this simple. We've got the option to upload an image. You've got all your styles here. And then once your image is converted, you can just download the image. And you've got your gallery where your images will be saved. Now, there are so many different styles you can choose from here, but we're going to be concentrating on one, which is just depth maps. This is all you're going to need to convert your images into a depth map, which is the type of image you'll need to create for the eufyMake software to read the height from your image. Quickly, just to explain how a depth map works, basically the whitest part is going to be the highest point of the image, and then like the dark greys and then black are going to be the lowest part. So that's how the eufyMake software can read it and create depth from it. So let's just load up an image now and we'll show you exactly what to expect. So I'm just going to click up here, upload image, or you can drag and drop to it. So this is the image I'm going to use as a test. First of all, you've got lots of options down here where you can crop it to fit, but this just sits in square, and you can zoom in and out however you like. So we're going to go with the square, use crop, and then we've already got depth map selected. We'll click remove background and we'll just click generate. I know you just let it do its thing at the moment. Depending on how fast your internet is or how busy the service is will be, how quick or slow this will run, but it shouldn't take more than a minute. So there we go, the image has finished converting. So we can see that was the original and this is the converted style. So we can see the highest points here, the whitest parts will be the highest points on the print, and then like the darkest parts in here are going to be the lowest points. So I'm just going to save this. So down here I've got the option to save it as a PNG. So if I just single click that, that'll prepare that and then download that automatically to my system. If you don't want the background as well, because obviously you don't want to waste ink printing all this out, if we go into remove background, we've loaded our image in, and now it's just going to automatically detect the background and remove it from the image. There you go, really happy with how that turned out. So the transparent part here is the bits that have been removed. So again, I'm just going to download that as PNG. Okay, so I've got my image imported into the eufyMake software, and on the right hand side here, I'm going to go customize texture, and it says you upload depth map. Click that, and then we can upload our own custom depth map. So that's just going to generate. Let's go to preview, and you can see the depth map is bringing all them details. Bring the smoothness up a little bit. So as a case then of just messing with the settings how you want it, you can go super thick or you can bring it down. But you can see parts like these, the knee bones and everything and the hip bone, they're raised just a little bit more than some other items. And like I said, with the eye and the open mouth, we've got the deeper details there. Right, so this is how the dinosaur skeleton come out. Now, try and ignore the image on the bottom. This was just a scrap slate coaster I was using. But look at that. You can see like all the ribs, all the bones, all the teeth, all the details in the skull. So this is just a very basic image of something you could do. Let's put something a bit more challenging in, something that's full color, completely full print. So we had great success with our first image. You've seen with the depth and everything really did just come to life because we used that custom depth map. Now I'm going to do the exact same process but with another image. This time we'll use a full color image just to show you it works with any type of image, whether you want to do a photo of people, pets, animals, anything. It literally works with anything. Cars, you think of it. So let's load up another image, and I'm going to go with this nice colorful disc image of a cow surrounded by some reeds, ferns and some flowers. So let's use the crop there, and again just going to go depth map, keep the background, I'll leave that on, and just generate, and then we just wait for that to convert. And there we go, we have another absolutely stunning depth map here, so we can just toggle that on and off. So I'm going to download this as a PNG, and then we'll go back into the eufyMake software. So back inside the eufyMake software, let's import our PNG. And again, on the right-hand side over here, I'm going to go Customize Texture, Upload Depth Map. So let's preview this. Absolutely stunning already. We can mess around with these settings. So again, let's go 2 mil smoothness. Let's go about an 8. And let's go back. And I'm going to send this one to the laser as well, and we'll see how this one turned out. Wow, no way did this machine produce this. What? Look at that. That is something else. Again, this is printed on a slate coaster, so that is very, very impressive. But for the fact that we've gone, I think we went like, what, 1 mil, maybe 1.5 mil thickness on this. And I am absolutely blown away. You can just see as the light hits it, all like the details in the eyes and the ears. That is unreal. This just goes to show the type of things you can achieve when creating your own depth maps for images on this, because I can't stop looking at it. This is such a clean print. I am so impressed. So that is it for today, guys. Just a very short video showing you how you can create your own depth maps very easily and very quickly and implement them into your designs when printing with this printer. I hope you have enjoyed the video, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you have. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, guys, because it really does help us out a bunch. So I hope you enjoyed. We'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra now. Wow.